Welcome everyone, my name is Jessica and this is Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs. Make sure you check out my last episode after you watch this episode. I'm going to start off by taking this wooden birdhouse that I got at Dollar Tree and using my apple barrel paint in the color Snow White and Burnt Umber. I'm going to mix those two until it is a light purplish gray consistency, and I'm going to paint the entire birdhouse. Next, I'm going to take this Bless This Nest sign as well as these transfer stickers, and I'm going to be using the little bird. So peeling the back of the transfer sticker, I'm going to place that right above this, and I'm going to press down firmly, make sure that it sticks really good, and then once it's fully stuck, I'm going to gently pull up the plastic, leaving just the sticker behind. And this is what it will look like once you have your little bird on the sign. Now, I was originally going to leave the frame on, but I decided to go ahead and remove the frame, and we'll just be using the cardboard portion for this. And what I'm going to do is around the edges, I'm actually going to be using my apple barrel paint in the color Jet Black, and I'm just going to put a small border of black around the entire sign. Next, taking another one of the little bird transfer stickers, I'm going to apply it to the birdhouse to where it looks like it's setting on the little perch. And again, I'm just going to smooth it out really good, make sure it's fully stuck, and then gently remove the plastic off. Once you have the plastic removed off the birdhouse, this is what it will look like. Next, I'm going to take this candlestick holder and I'm going to coat it in a layer of this white glue. You can also use Mod Podge. It just helps the paint stick better. And I'm going to be using this apple barrel paint Jet Black. And this is what it will look like once I have the paint fully on. The glue just kind of helps it look brighter. Now, taking a little bit of hot glue, I'm going to glue on the candlestick, and then I'm going to glue the Bless This Nest sign directly onto the candlestick, making sure I have it centered. Once I'm happy with the placement, I'm going to apply more glue to the back just to ensure that it does have a good hold. Next, I'm going to apply hot glue to the top of the candlestick holder, and once I have that glue all the way around, I'm going to take my little birdhouse and just make sure that I center it and line it up with the sign, as well as center it on the candlestick. Once I'm happy with that placement, here's your completed project. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think.